How to download an app from Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can download an app from your Google Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, in order to download an app from your Google Play Store, it's actually quite very simple to do so. For this, all you have to do is, first of all, just make sure that you are connected to an internet connection, because if you aren't, you'll not be able to download any sort of applications. Once you've done that, open up your Play Store and then you can say games and then you can say apps. You can search for an app manually depending upon the app that you'd like to download, or you can select a certain application from here itself. You'll see everything related to the app, the reviews, the size, as well as the rating and the number of downloads, and you'll find the install button. You can tap the install option over here in order to install that certain app for your Android device, and then you can begin using them if you'd like. This way you will be able to download an app from the Google Play Store. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.